How to make everyone can comment on your posts on TikTok. Now, hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can comment on your posts on TikTok. Now, first open TikTok now and then click on your profile here in the bottom corner, and after that click these three lines here in the top corner and click privacy, then click comment and click everyone, and that's it. Now everyone can comment on your posts. First, make sure your account is not a private account, just disable it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.